My name is Harry Galagher, I'm 18 years old and I do parkour, free running and urban exploration. I live at home with my parents, well my mum. I think especially when I first see a climb, I look at the viewpoints that I could potentially get for my pictures, so where I could place the camera.
Gonna try and do this one tonight maybe. 24-hour scooty. Camera's not looking there and it seems pretty quiet and I can get straight into the building there, so I think that'll be the best entry point.
I've been training parkour and free running for 7 years now. But I mean, I've done over probably 300 climbs in like 4 years. I mean, I've had a lot of troubles with, especially my mum. I've had times that she's crying. But yeah, I mean, it has affected me. It's made me kind of rethink the stuff I'm doing, be more careful, always be much more cautious, not do the crazy stuff, and especially don't let her see it if I am doing it. Oh God, that sounds terrible. Right, so 5 in the morning, we're back at the second site. Oh yeah, this is Lamar, my G. He's an urban explorer photographer, and he's going to join me on this climb. Let's do it. Safe, mate. Alright, cool. I'm gonna go up, I'll meet you at the top, yeah? Yeah. Cool. Probably about 8 floors up now. Breathing. Taking the views. You can feel the lactic acid in your forearms building up. Just gotta shake it off. It's really getting tough now. The main thing that I'm thinking about personally is, have I got the right holds? Like, am I secure, am I safe? When you're on the edge of a crane, you look down and you say, wow, that was a crazy drop. This is sketchy. Yo, that climb, man, that was crazy. Sick.
Yeah, at least you made it, man.
Yeah, that's it. Let's go look at this view, I'm excited. Woo! Jeez! Reckless, stupid, and a bad influence. Well, you could say that to anyone, really. You could say that's someone who's doing motocross. You could say that's someone who's doing any kind of sport. I mean, I know the dangers, and I've learned to avoid them. And if you're doing it straight up, you're not going to know what these kind of things are. And I feel like if someone took urban exploring away from me, that would be restricting me from going where I want to go, exploring where I explore. And I feel like that should be a human right in itself to be able to go wherever you want to go. Okay, if you're scared of heights, I'd say look away now. That was bad. That view, honestly, sunrise from the top was unreal. One of the best views I've ever seen. That was great.